Top when they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight. Hi guys! Oh my gosh, I haven't filmed a video in so long. But hello, it is Queenshirine and I am back to film a video today. Okay, so I am here with my hairstylist, Rhonda.
Hi.
Hi, she's the owner of Hydrabarsalon in South Florida. And the product Hydra. I did a review on Hydra like 2 years ago. But today, Rhonda's going to show you how to use Hydra. Okay, so as you guys can see, Rhonda's just rinsing my hair out, you know, trying to get it wet. Then she is adding the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder to pre-cleanse and give my hair some slip. And then she's adding the Matrix Mega Sleek. I'm pretty sure that's what shampoo she's using. I know Hydra is coming out with a shampoo, so she might be using Hydra shampoo. She actually didn't tell me what shampoo she was using. Now Rhonda is sectioning and detangling my hair, getting it ready for a blow dry. I do have some of that filmed, so I'm going to include some of that. Unfortunately, some of my footage did get cut off, but the reason Rhonda was blow drying my hair was so she could trim it. Before this, I think this was filmed in August, Rhonda actually didn't do diva cuts. Nobody at Hydrabar did diva cuts, but now Hydrabar is actually trained in diva cuts. So if you want a diva cut, Rhonda or anybody at Hydrabarsalon can do them for you. I really do like diva cuts, but I never had a problem with Rhonda blow drying my hair to cut it because there was never any damage. So like I was saying before, some of my footage did get cut off, so you couldn't see Rhonda actually trimming my hair, but that's the whole point of her blow drying it. Anyway, now Rhonda has fully saturated my hair again and conditioned it. I'm pretty sure she used the Matrix conditioner. If she didn't, she used her own Hydra conditioner. I don't know if that's come out yet, but I know she was working on it, so that's what she might have used. Rhonda does detangle my hair in sections because I do have a lot of hair. And then she uses a diffuser brush to comb it out initially, but then she uses her fingers to rake through it so all the conditioner gets through my hair. Okay, I'm really upset that my camera wanted to do whatever the heck it was doing for this part because I feel like this is the most important part of her doing my hair. This is her actually putting the Hydra in my hair and she's showing you guys how she puts it in. Basically, it's the exact same motion that she does with the conditioner. In order to break Hydra down, you put it in your hands, you add water to it, and you rub it in your hands, and Hydra breaks down. That's exactly what Rhonda's doing. My hair is and then she's putting it in my hair and raking it through, so my hair is fully saturated to comb it initially, even when the Hydra's in my hair. But then she does use her fingers to rake through my hair, and I feel like raking the product through your hair is what makes the product stick. Because even when I'm doing my hair myself at my house, if I do not rake the product through my hair looks like crap and it doesn't last at all. After that, I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and then Rhonda diffused my hair so there would be some extra volume, and this is how it turned out. Hey guys, so it's your girl Shireen. Hello, I have not been on YouTube in a little minute, so you guys just watched Rhonda doing my hair. This is 3 days with Hydra in my hair. This is how my hair ends up looking. I will have close-ups, as you guys can see. So in this video, you guys made it to the end. I am doing a giveaway with Hydra. My favorite hair product is like $25, and it's like $20-25, then $10 shipping. So y'all can get it for free right here. I partnered with Hydra and my hairstylist Rhonda to be able to give you guys a free bottle of Hydra. This retails for like $30, so be happy. No, I'm kidding. I haven't been on YouTube in a minute and I wanted to come back with a bang, so you guys are getting a giveaway. So in order to win this bottle of Hydra, all you have to do is you have to follow me on Instagram at Queenshirine. I'll make sure it's right here, and at Hydrabarsalon. I'll make sure it's right here as well. Follow both of those. Comment your favorite way to keep your hair hydrated down below and your Instagram @ name. And on October 15th, I'll be picking a winner, and I will put the winner in my Instagram story. Then you just send me a DM, or I'll send you a DM, and I'll send you this bottle of Hydra for you to use yourself. So you got popping curls like me, girl. You'll know, hunty. Okay, so I miss you guys so much. I love y'all, but I gotta go to the tailgate right now because go UCF. You know we popping right now, whatever. Okay, no, seriously, bye.
Your face so pretty to me, makeup could make it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping.